This year, we grew a whole lot of carrots. In order to preserve them, I decided to lacto ferment them. It is an easy process, and the end product is extremely nourishing and beneficial to your gut flora, and it tastes heavenly. All it takes is carrots, some Himalayan salt. In total, I used about 3 tablespoons of salt. I cut the carrots in various shapes and I put them in a bowl and mixed in the salt and worked it with my hands. This gets the liquids in the carrots going and it starts releasing the liquids. To this, I added about 4 square inches of ginger root that I also chopped up. I love spicy food, so I grew some Thai chilies. So I added those to the mix as well. Adds a lovely flavor. I mixed all these up for a while with using my hands, just working the vegetables so that the juices would start being released due to the salt. I love spicy. I didn't have enough Thai chilies, so I got a couple of habaneros that I grew, and I added these to this mix. After that, I used a wooden pestle to mix it up. I mixed for a while, and then I put them all in a mason jar using tongs so that I wouldn't burn my hands. I had made this ferment a week before. So once I tamped it all down and added some more salt, I used the liquid from last week's ferment, which is almost gone because it's so delicious. I added some to start this batch. And then I added a glass weight to hold the vegetables down under the liquid and a silicone covers to release all the air out of there and not let any more air in. I used to use cheesecloth, but this is just better. Now I let it sit for a few days and I'll have my ferment. Enjoy it and please subscribe.